Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with managed accounts. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Unlike a regular Forex trading account, where a trader would make all the trading decisions and actively buy and sell currency pairs, a managed Forex account is a trading account where a trader or money manager trades on the investor's behalf. A managed account has higher costs and fees associated to it and requires a higher minimum deposit in most cases. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with managed accounts can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with managed accounts. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have CMC Markets. CMC Markets has been in operation since 1989 and is one of the most reputable online brokers in the United Kingdom. CMC Markets is a multi-award-winning market maker that has regulation and authorization in several regions. CMC Markets is one of the few brokers that is listed on the London Stock Exchange, and throughout the years, the broker has become a leading and trusted provider of CFD financial instruments and spread betting options. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 9,000 tradable instruments, covering Forex, Indices, Cryptocurrencies, Commodities, shares, and Treasuries. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, as well as their very own next-generation trading platform and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on CFD and Corporate Accounts, with no minimum deposits, lower spreads, access to over 9,000 products, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, customer support, and so much more. CMC Markets also provides their very own educational learning center, which includes beginner's guides to Forex trading and strategies, a variety of webinars you can sign up to, as well as a comprehensive list of trading ebooks for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with CMC Markets. At number 4 on our list is FXPrimus. FXPrimus is an online broker founded in 2009, offering Forex trading, social trading, and is a global broker with a head office located in Cyprus. Regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission and the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive. Used by over 10,000 traders, FXPrimus offers over 125 different instruments to trade, including over 43 currency pairs, and specializes in Forex, metals, energies, equities, cryptocurrencies, indices, and futures. Available platforms are provided on MetaTrader 4, which is supported on their web-based browser application, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Demo, Standard, VIP Variable, and ECN Premium accounts, with access to a wide range of advanced trading tools, multilingual customer support, SMS alerts, daily market outlooks, one-on-one consultations, and more. FXPrimus also provides their very own educational center, which delves into weekly market analytics, general market commentary from expert guests, seminars, webinars, daily market news, trading calculators, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional trading education with FXPrimus. Coming in at number 3, we have Alpari International. Alpari is an FSC-regulated Forex broker that offers flexible accounts, plenty of educational resources, and support for MetaTrader 4 and 5. This broker was founded in 1998 in Kingstown and has secured the trust of more than 2 million clients worldwide. There are currently 8 head offices around the world, and Alpari has grown into one of the largest global brands in the Forex industry. As an Alpari client, you can trade a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals and CFDs, and there are more than 250 tradable instruments to choose from. You can start trading with as little as $5 when you open an account with Alpari, and your trades can be leveraged by up to 1,000 times your initial deposit amount. With Alpari International, reduced negative slippage rates are guaranteed, and requote rates are incredibly low, even when the markets are volatile. Not only is Alpari a great option for beginners, but we would also recommend this broker if you are interested in copy trading, or if you would like to be a strategy manager for other traders. Alpari offers standard, micro, pro, and ECN accounts that are suitable for all types of traders, from beginners and copy traders to retail traders and professionals. All accounts can be funded using US dollars, euros, Great British pounds, or the Nigerian naira, and the lowest minimum deposit requirement is $5 on the MetaTrader 4 account. Their standard accounts are commission-free with instant execution guaranteed, and they can be converted to swap-free accounts for Muslim clients, and spreads start from 1.2 pips. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. You can also use the Alpari application to easily manage your trading accounts, trade your favorite instruments, and monitor all your trades from one screen. Alpari is a great option for beginners because they provide plenty of trading guides, tips for successful trading, guides on Forex trading strategies, and much more. There are also online workshops and webinars that are conducted by trading experts, and you can read the articles provided to gain more insights into Forex trading and what it's like to be a trader. With over 2 million clients trading on Alpari's servers, you can rest assured that you will be trading in active markets with deep liquidity and many opportunities to make a profit. Alpari guarantees low slippage, minimal requotes, and instant trade executions, so you will always be ahead of the game with this broker. At number 2 on our list is HFM. HFM, previously known as Hot Forex, was established in 2007 and is a well-regulated online trading broker. HFM has been listed under the World Finance Top 100 Global Companies and offers premium MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading tools, access to AutoChartist, a VPS hosting service, and more than 1,200 tradable instruments. HFM offers more than 50 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, as well as a variety of metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, bonds, stocks, and ETFs. With HFM, you can trade popular cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. With lower commission fees, risk management, negative balance protection, mobile trading, and more. Their accounts are available on micro, premium, zero spread, and HF copy accounts. The minimum deposits required range from $5 to $300, with no deposit fees, 24 hours a day, 6 days a week customer support, a large number of simultaneous open orders, variable spreads, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. HFM's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on desktops and mobile operating systems. This broker provides a great selection of high-quality educational guides, trading courses, and research materials. There are plenty of educational videos that cover a variety of topics, such as trading psychology, trading plans, the basics of trading, technical indicators, as well as entire courses in video format that will teach you about using the trading tools and platforms provided, trading different instruments, trading strategies, and understanding the basics of trading. You can also delve into their podcasts and webinars if you are searching for any additional educational content with HFM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with managed accounts, we have FXTM. FXTM is a CYSEC and FCA regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with managed accounts on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.